In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Roku doorbell not flashing yellow. First, check power supply. Ensure the doorbell is properly connected to its power source and that the battery, if applicable, is charged. Then restart the doorbell. Remove the doorbell from its mounting bracket. Wait about 20 seconds. Retake the ball to the mounting bracket. Then verify Wi-Fi connection. Ensure your doorbell is within range of your Wi-Fi network and that your network is functioning properly. Then reset the doorbell. Locate the reset button on the doorbell. Refer to the user manual for its location. Press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the light starts flashing. Then check the app. Make sure you are using the correct app for the setup and that it's up to date. Follow the app's instructions for pairing the doorbell. Then update firmware. Ensure your doorbell's firmware is up to date. This might require connecting it to the app or checking the Roku support website for updates. After that, check for interference. Ensure there are no source of interference near your doorbell or Wi-Fi network. And the last one is contact support. If the issue persists, contact Roku support for further assistance. So that's how you can fix Roku doorbell not flashing yellow.